My life journey has been something that, looking back now, I just ask myself, how did I do it? My mom had 9 of us. I am the last. And out of that 9, we are 8 girls and a boy. So I am the last of the 8 girls. So all of them have developed. None of them have been to university or anything. They don't see education as that valuable to them. So for my mom, I lost my dad when I was 5 years old. So there was nobody to really push me to go. And for me to now say, okay, I want to go to school. So my elder ones were looking at me, what is wrong with you? We didn't go, we are doing well. Why do you want to go? So in my house, they call me a rebel. She's so stubborn. If you give her an inch, she will go a mile. I've gotten married. I've had my girls because my husband knows my story. And I said, why don't you go back to school since that's what you always wanted to do? I've never been to the Northeast. I didn't know anything about Sunderland. But what UK university, what they do is they come to my country in Nigeria, Lagos where I'm based, and they have a university fair. Talk about the courses. Why don't you come and do health and social care? Then you talk about the city by the sea. Oh, that looks fantastic to me. Yes, okay, why not? And that was how I came to Sunderland. I don't know Sunderland before, but I'm happy. I think it's the best decision I've made so far. When I did health and social care, while I got in 2013, I think by 2014 I started working just to support myself. So I work in care, I work in care home, I work in independent living. So I feel very comfortable to have a good chat with service users. I spend more time talking with them. I see my side tilting towards the social aspect and not the medical aspect. So that was why when I finished health and social care, I decided to go for social work. Because while I was doing health and social care, it opens the world for me, the world of medicine and the world of social care. And I've seen the effect of austerity court on social care and the effect of how medicine is constructed. So with that, I think I have a fine balance between the two and know where I want to be. Then I came here Together for Children for my final placement, which is in children and family, where I wanted to be. And when I was doing my placement here, I got straight into this team that I'm in now. I'm in safeguarding child protection team. So I was in that team and I've gotten so used to taking family, taking them on from the beginning and take them through that journey, putting support in place for them and seeing their life getting better. I think my placement was to finish in June, and then they advertised that we should apply if you wanted to do what they call Assessed and Supported Year of Employment, ASYE. So I put in for that, and I went for the interview, and I got my job in April before even finishing my placement. So, and then I'm here. So I've been back home 2 years ago when my mom passed away. For my mom to pass away, I was happy in the sense that she saw that I was able to achieve my dreams, and she was quite happy. But I was sad because I didn't have enough time to spend with her while she died. So that's just it. So I'm fine here and I'm doing well. Age is no barrier, because I started at 39. And then language is no barrier, your color is no barrier. Just that you have focus. What do you want to achieve? Have that in mind. Then coming to Sunderland. Sunderland is warm. It's a beautiful place to live. The people are excellent. And then for the university as a whole, there are fantastic lecturers there who are there to support students and want to make sure that you graduate, want to make sure you excel. So why don't you take that opportunity? Come to Sunderland University. I've had the best of time there. And I'm still going back there. And I may still end up being a lecturer there. It's a journey for me which has been impacted by a lot of people. Even if it's not financially from them, but moral support is so much. So I don't see any reason why you cannot go. Just put it in your mind. Once you are determined, and then you say, this is what I want to do. Don't let anything stop you. You may have some ups and downs, because that is life, but try and focus till you get there.